2020. Hope you guys are well. Back at it again. So let's take a look at the dollar index as a free segment of this session, and then we'll go on from there. So quick overview of the fundamentals. This sales for the CAD came out bearish, actually by a good amount. 0.5 versus 0.9 and 0.4 versus 1.0. And if you look at the pound CPI earlier in the day, it came out a bit bullish, and that's about it for today. We know tomorrow it's going to be a semi-important day as we have unemployment claims, and that's expected to become a bit bullish with 38,000 less claims, and then the all-important Friday, Euro PMI and pound PMI. So at the midweek point, we are looking at a bearish dollar. Yesterday we were waiting for this low to get cleared. This right here, we made an equal low between right here and right here at 93.00. And we were waiting for a 4-hour break of that to confirm that the dollar index was heading lower. And obviously we got that. So many of the majors like Euro, GU started to gain on the dollar. And you can see this morning it just completely melted. And so if you look to the left, there's no real support here. The next level is 92.12 or just 92.13. And that's the next target for dollar index. So I think we will finish off the rest of the week bearish. And actually, if you look at the daily, you'll see to the left, we do have these series where we have formed some support. So I'm going to highlight that. So in case price starts to rest above that level, that may be some warning signs, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think we will get down to 92.12 by the end of the week. Okay, and if you look at the price action, where price will come down to an equal low. So this was our first equal low. We had a bullish hammer, which may have fooled some traders, but then we had all these dojis in decision, right? Then we finally had that sell-off. Again, we came to this equal low. We had maybe hopes of going back up. The price once again came in and took price lower. So this is where we were back in August, and we actually went a bit lower during the end of August. I'm not sure if we will reach all the way here. We have the election coming up in 2 weeks, so I think if there's gonna be a political event, this move, or that could either help the dollar index go to here or can help the dollar index go back up, it'll be the election. So for now, we'll keep this 92.12 a level as a target, and this is the horizontal ray I just highlighted on the daily, where we do have some minor support. We have closed below that this morning, so we may see just a retracement and maybe a rejection. But if that does occur, we'll be looking for price to dip down lower, right? So break, retest, rejection, and then price should go down to 92.12, and then after that we can reevaluate where it goes. All right, so at this point I'm going to turn off the free portion of the live session, and we'll get into recommendations and our current setups. So 1 second.